Hi, my name's Evan.
Chelsea.
Zay. And we're walking around the 101 all day today asking people math.
Okay, so what is an antiderivative and what does it help us find?
I have no idea.
What is an antiderivative and what does it help you find?
I have no idea. Oh, I know. Turtles.
Helps us find turtles.
Let's find turtles. So for some crazy reason, you kids think that antiderivative thing is a turtle, but it's not. No. What?
What is an antiderivative and what does it find? An antiderivative is finding the area under the curve. When you have a given graph with any x values, by using your antiderivative, you'll find the area underneath the curve. For example, if you have x squared, your antiderivative is x cubed over 3 because you raise your power by 1 and divide by your new power.
What is an antiderivative and what does it help us find? The area underneath the curve.
Oh, nice! Woo! Round of applause. That was great.
5 to the x power equals 25. What's x?
5.
Okay.
So if 5 to the x equals 25, what is x?
5.
So if 5 to the x equals 25, what is x?
Alright, so 5 up to the x power equals 25. What's x?
5.
It's 2. So, you guys get that? Oh.
Now, I know this one was a little bit difficult for you guys. 5 to the x equals 25. Now let's work this out conceptually first. 5 times 5 equals 25, right? Yes, it does. 5 times 5 equals 25. Now, there's one 5, and there's another 5. So there's 2 5s. So 5 squared, because it's to the second. 5 to the second. 2 5s, 5 to the second equals 25. Therefore, we can look at it. Think about it. X equals 2. Nice job. Alright, we can also do it logarithmically, in which case 5 to the x equals 25 can be translated into log base 5 of 25 equals x. So, x equals 2. So, if 5 to the x power equals 25, what is x? 2! So, if 5 to the x equals 25, what does x equal?
X is squared.
Nice job!
Yay!
We math like 5 people that they all say 5.
Thank
Ferris
you.
wheel completes a rotation in 40 seconds. Do you know what its angular speed is if it's a 360-degree rotation?
I have no idea.
If a Ferris wheel completes a rotation in 40 seconds, what is its angular speed? So, if a Ferris wheel completes a full rotation in 40 seconds, what is its angular speed?
If the circle is 360 degrees.
There is no angular speed? I don't know.
Alright, guys, so what's 360 divided by 40? Word up.
Can I go to the bathroom?
Put your paw down. Get out of here. Come on, get out of here. Yep.
8?
No.
If a Ferris wheel completes a rotation in 40 seconds, what is its angular speed? Now the Ferris wheel, which travels 360 degrees in one full rotation, is divided by the amount of time that it takes, which is 40 seconds, which gives us the angular speed, which is 9 degrees per second. So like,
Around the
how many
circle.
degrees does it go per second?
If it's 360 degrees and you go 40 seconds per rotation.
360 divided by 40?
Yes.
What is it?
Get out of
Nice.
my head.
It's good!
What's 36 divided by 4?
8? 9?
Good. The integral from 0 to 3 of f of x equals 10.
Yes.
And the integral of 3 to 6 of f of x equals 5. What does the integral from 0 to 6 of f of
What
x?
class are you guys
Take
in?
your time.
Calculus? I'm in statistics. I'm useless.
Somewhere
If you guys were surveying
between
me,
10 and 5.
What's your
Hold
name?
on, I used to know this. I took it last year.
Yeah,
For a
Sarah.
second.
Hi,
Does
nice
this
to meet you.
represent this at all?
No,
No, it doesn't.
You got this.
All right.
Dude, you can't curse. They're gonna put this in their project.
Oh, no, I didn't say that. All right. It
Okay, which hybrid?
equals a integral of dx, fx dx. So it would just be d, right?
No, but that's okay. If the integral from 0 to 3 of f of x dx equals 10, and the integral from 3 to 6 of f of x dx equals 5, what does the integral of 0 to 6 of f of x dx equal? Well, we can see that from 0 to 3, the integral, or the area under the curve, equals 10. So if we split it up into two parts, 0 to 3 equals 10, 3 to 6 equals 5, then both of them together are going to equal 15.
Gosh, I thought I would take the average. That would work.
It's actually 15 from
Yeah,
0
the
to
two.
3 and 3 to 6.
Oh yeah, no, that's what I meant. You did 15.
That's like
There you go. You should cut the rest out.
Which two quadrants on an xy coordinate system make the tangent of any angle positive?
Evan, let me see it.
First one and third one.
Which two quadrants on an x and y coordinate plane make the tangent of any angle positive? So we were taught, all students take calculus, and in the first quadrant all of the trigonometric functions are positive, and then take is the tangent, so it's also positive in the third quadrant. So in quadrant 1 you have a positive x and a positive y, and in quadrant 3 you have a negative x and a negative y. So when you divide those by each other, you will always get a positive number. For instance, the tangent of theta, the y over the x, will always be positive, and then the tangent of theta, the negative y over the negative x, will always be positive.
Here's the question. What is the difference between an indefinite and a definite integral?
See, next.
What is 90 degrees equivalent to in radians? How about define an exponential function?
Keep going.
Sine squared plus cosine squared. Well, depends on who the cosiner is. Because if you have two of them, does that mean you're dealing with like two people? Because if you cosine it, then it's going to be, you know, a third party equation. So then the third party equation will then turn out to be something like this.
What were the answers again?
How about some sports-related math questions?
Sports-related math questions.
Who's going to win the Super Bowl? I mean, something like that.
I say Indianapolis.
Okie dokie. Fantastic.